Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebs Katrice, and today we're going to be doing this grunge makeup look today. I tried something new, something different. If you want to see how it comes out, go ahead and continue watching. But before you go and watch the rest of this video, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become a part of the family. And we're just going to jump right into the video. Alright, so today we are going to be going for a grunge look. Please excuse my voice. I lost it over the weekend. How I lost it, y'all, I have no idea. But yes, so I already prepped my eyebrows and my face, as you can tell. That's why I look a little ghosty. Okay, so I have my face prepped. I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going for a grunge look. So grunge is usually like a dark black makeup look, so that's what I'm going for today. So we're just gonna go ahead and start. I don't know, like, I've never done this before. I have sort of an idea of how it's supposed to look, but I'm not 100% sure. So work with me. Again, hands up, don't shoot. I'm not a makeup artist, but you know, I do pretty good when it comes to, I guess, foundation and a little eyeshadow. So we're just gonna go for it. Work with me. So we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm going to start with a black base on my eyelids, and then I'm going to transition into a dark brown, and then I'm going to transition the dark brown into my brow bone with a light brown, almost the same color as my skin tone. So I'm not going to talk during that part. I'm just going to show you what it is. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Warrior palette, the Warrior 2 palette, I'm sorry. I'm going to be using all colors from this palette. The black is going to be the Shawata. And then I'm going to use this dark brown, probably mix these two, Kufuru and Walzana. And then for my brow bone, I'm going to use Yodit. Alright, so I'm going to pack on to my eyelid the black color with this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Now I have raccoon eyes. That didn't work. Okay, so now I'm going to take that dark brown, mix it with the Kufuru, and I'm just going to blend out the edges. And then I'm going to take the Yodit and I'm going to transition that on my brow bone. Blend it on my brow bone. Alright, so I have my eyes pretty much done, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. So for my under eyes, I'm going to start with the Il Makiage Flawless right under my eyes, just for color correction. And then for my beauty marks down here, I'm just going to use my MAC my MAC NW50 concealer on those dark marks. Alright, and then I'm going to blend out this concealer first, since it's I don't know, cream. I think it's cream contour. I think that's what you would call it. And then this is like liquid, so I'm going to let that sit a little longer. Alright, so now I'm going to be using a new foundation. I'm going to be using the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation in the number F4.70. This is my first time using it. I haven't tried this color out yet. So, I hope it's pretty good. I'm just going to do two there, and a little dot there. Let's see. It's looking a little orange. Definitely full coverage for the little bit I put on my face, but it's a little orange, a little on the orange side. As you can see. Alright, so I'm going to, I hope I don't look crazy after this. I'm going to go back in with this under my eyes. Again, let that sit, and I'm going to add my Black Opal Skin Perfecting Skin Foundation, but I'm gonna use it as a contour. And I'm gonna blend that part out with a beauty blender. Oh wow, look at this. I'm gonna blend out the contour first. Alright, that took forever. So I have that blended out. Now I'm going to contour my face. Now a little blush. Y'all know the two colors. And then I'm going to press in a little finishing powder from Black Opal as well. This is in the color Deep. And I'm also going to do some translucent powder from Airspun. Again, not too much. mascara. Mascara. I'm using today the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. It's supposed to give you a cat eye, but honey, I don't use it for like 3 days. I don't see no difference. It's mascara. That's all the mascara I'm putting on because I can't even see my eyelashes anyway. So for the bottom, I'm just going to take the remaining powder that's left on the transition color and I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line. I'm not going to do too much because y'all know my eyes like the water and mess up a whole makeup look. So just a little. And I'm not going to go all the way around, just the outer corner like that. And then I'm going to spray my face while I get my lashes prepared for my eyelids. Fingers crossed, my eyelashes act right today, okay? Y'all know me. Gotta soak the face. Today I'm going to be using the iMovie 113 lashes. Yes, I've used them before. Yes, that is eyelash glue. Who gonna check me? Nobody. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them prepared and put them on my face. And in the meantime, y'all go get a snack or something. I'll be back. Alright, so I have my eyelashes getting ready to be put on. So I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to line them first. So I think I'm gonna try red first and see how that looks. Look like I'm not even playing in my lipstick. Let's put on the lashes and then we'll see how we feel about the lips. Alright, so this is the final look. This is a black smoky grunge eye with a red lip. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below of what look you want to see me do next. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of the family. And I'll see you guys in the next video.